Welcome back to Amenny Property TV channel. In today's episode, we'll be discussing a critical topic for real estate leader: how to lead effectively during market changes. The real estate market is dynamic and as a leader, it's your job to guide the team through the ups and downs. This is leading through real estate market changes.
First, stay informed. As the market shifts, you need to be ahead of the curve. Keep up with trend, data, and economic focus so that you can anticipate changes and adjust your strategy accordingly. Second, maintain open communication with your team. Uncertainty can cause stress, and it's your job to keep everyone informed and calm. Regularly update your team on market conditions, business strategies, and how they should adjust their approach.
Lastly, be adaptable. The ability to pivot quickly is key during market changes. Encourage the team to stay flexible and explore new ways to approach challenges. Whether it's shifting focus to different types of properties or revising marketing strategy, adaptability is crucial.
In conclusion, leading through real estate market changes requires staying informed, keeping communication open, and fostering adaptability. By practicing this strategy, you are not only weather the storm but also position your team for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate leadership insights. And if you have any strategies for navigating market changes, drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, keep living big confidence.